In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find starred elements in Canva. If you've ever been working on a design, found the perfect element, and clicked that little star icon to save it for later, but then couldn't remember where it went, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where all your starred items live inside Canva, so you can reuse them quickly without hunting around. First, go ahead and open the Canva design you're working on. You can do this from your Canva homepage by choosing any recent design or by creating a new one. Once your design is open, you should be inside the Canva editor. This is the main workspace where you see your canvas in the center and a toolbar and panels around it. Now, focus your attention on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you usually see options like design, elements, uploads, and so on. In that same sidebar, look for the option called projects. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little in that left menu until it appears. Go ahead and click on Projects. As soon as you click Projects, a new panel will slide open on the left side. This is your Projects panel, where Canva organizes your designs, folders, and other saved items. In this panel, you'll see a section labeled Folders. Under Folders, look for the one called Starred. Click on Starred. The panel will now refresh and display everything that you have starred in Canva. This can include elements like graphics, photos, icons, or even full designs and templates that you've marked with a star while browsing in Canva. From here, you can scroll through your starred items and simply click on anything you want to use. If it's an element, just click or drag it onto your canvas to add it to your current design. This is a great way to keep consistent branding, reuse your favorite graphics, or quickly access assets you know you like without searching from scratch every time. As you continue working in Canva, remember that anytime you see an element you want to save for later, just star it. Then, come back to this projects area, open the starred folder, and everything will be right there waiting for you. That's all you need to find your starred elements in Canva and keep your design process fast and organized.